Today, I'll show you how to add the flame eyes effect in CapCut PC to give your character a fiery, intense look. Let's get started. First, import your video into the timeline. Now, go to the effects panel and head over to body effects. In the search bar, type flame eyes and you'll see the effect appear. Simply drag and drop it onto your clip and the fiery eyes will instantly be applied. To fine tune the effect, open the right side editing panel where you'll find several sliders. Color, change the flame color for a unique look. Filters, adjust the visual style of the effect. Strength, control how intense the flames appear. Range, modify how far the flames extend from the eyes. Speed, adjust how fast the flames move. Play around with these settings until you get the perfect fiery effect. And that's it. You've successfully added the flame eyes effect in CapCut PC. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome CapCut tricks.